Hi everyone, you know I'm always looking for something new and different to feed my microbiome. So I went to the market, I got a Chinese bitter melon. I'm going to try this Chinese bitter melon. I watched a couple YouTube videos to see how to prepare it, so I'm gonna give it a try today. But generally, we're gonna cut this lengthwise. And then that core or center is quite bitter, so that needs to be removed. So I'm gonna shell that out. Just the green shell. I think this is the way to do it. So here's the bitter melon all cut up. I decided to add some pea pods that I had. I'm sauteing some onions, white and red, with some garlic cloves in there. So I'm sauteing that in some butter. I've got some mushrooms ready to go in, some chili peppers, and I'm thinking about adding some ginger. Okay, I'm ready to give this bitter melon a try here. Oh, it's very bitter. I might need to add a little more salt or get enough pepper heat to it. But the bitter melon is still quite bitter. Maybe it needs to cook down a little. Okay guys, I just spent the last few minutes taking out all the pieces of bitter melon. It was nasty. The rest of the dish was salvageable. The pea pods, mushrooms, onions, really good. So we're definitely gonna enjoy this tonight. Okay, maybe if you have a recipe or you have used bitter melon successfully, let me know. Okay, bye.